Hello, today I'll show you how to fix the motor of a power window on a Mazda CX-9. If I pay to get it repaired, I'll have to spend $150 to $250. Alternatively, I can replace the motor for about $60 or replace the gear inside the motor for less than $10. To do this, we'll use a plastic prying tool and small flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic covers. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw and a 10mm socket wrench with an extension for the 2 bolts. With the plastic prying tool, work your way around the inside panel to separate it from the door. Use a chair or something with the appropriate height to support the panel. Remove the connector from the motor. Then, remove the 3 bolts. And finally, remove the motor. The motor assembly has 2 tabs that keep both halves together. Separate the tabs, then pry both halves apart. Remove the pieces carefully until you get to the damaged gear. Then, replace it with your new one. Make sure the pieces go back in and line up correctly. Then, close the motor assembly back up. Bolt the motor back onto the door. Don't forget to reinstall the electrical connector. Hang the door back up and tap the edges to pop it back in. Bolt and screw the panel back up. Reinstall the plastic covers and tap them in place. And now you should have a working window. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please like and subscribe.